In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen Atlas key fob. One quick note here, I have the version, as you can see, that has the chrome on the top and the bottom. You might have the version it's black plastic here. It doesn't matter which one you have, you can follow along with this video. It's going to be exactly the same process. All you'll need is a small sized flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. First step is just to look up on the top of the key fob. You can see there's this switch here. Go ahead and hold that down while you push up the internal key and remove that. And now looking here where the key just came from, we're going to be inserting a tool back in there to pry off this back section of plastic. If you have the full plastic version, the black plastic up on the top, you're actually going to be able to use this key itself to do this process. It'll be pretty easy. You just insert it in past where this metal would be into about here, or where your top piece would be, and then you'll just push back. And as you can see, as I push back, this will start to open slightly, but because the metal here is not bending at all, it's kind of different. So if you have the plastic version, you'll just pop that in there and pry. As you can see, it just popped out a little bit. So you can actually do this with the metal version as well. But if it's feeling difficult for you, go ahead and grab a small flathead screwdriver, something that will fit in here. That'll just give you a little bit of better leverage. You'll have to find the right spot. Just applying a little pressure. There it is. And then once you have that snapped open, you'll just simply take off this back piece of plastic and come over here to the battery. And you can use your flathead to just come up in between these two plastic tabs and just push the battery down and kind of pry it out, and it will pop right out. When you're putting in your new CR2032 battery, make sure that the positive side that has this plus sign on it is facing up, and you will slide it down into place and then click it under these two tabs. And from here, all we need to do is just put this back piece back on there. So just line it up and squeeze, and then you can put your key back in there. And that's really all it takes. If you want to check to make sure the battery is has juice in it and you did everything correctly, just make sure that that light comes on when you press one of the buttons. I hope this video helped you out. I hope it was easy to follow. If you liked it, go ahead and give us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have you covered here on this channel with tutorials just like this one. For pretty much every key fob out there for the major car models. And you can also get all of that information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.